BNB meme coins are exploding and gaining serious traction, and there are many opportunities to make some good money from BNB meme coins these days. So today I'm showing you the best and most efficient way to trade Binance Smart Chain meme coins so that hopefully you can make some good money. Now it just so happens that Axiom, which is the biggest trading bot in the entire crypto space, they just added support for BNB. They have only been on Solana, but you can now also trade BNB meme coins on Axiom, which will make your Binance meme coin trading experience so much better. So let me show you exactly how to get started and how to optimize the use of Axiom. Now, if you are completely new to Binance Smart Chain, what I would first recommend you do is get MetaMask. MetaMask is the biggest crypto wallet out there that supports Binance Smart Chain. So make sure you download MetaMask from the Google Store. Once that is done, you obviously need some BNB tokens to be able to trade. So just buy some BNB on whatever exchange you prefer. My preferred exchange at the moment is BTCC. They're the best non-KYC exchange out there that supports the US and anywhere in the world. So I will leave the link to that down below if you are looking for a new exchange, because you get a 10% deposit bonus the first time you deposit onto the exchange. Once you bought some BNB and have it either in your MetaMask or on your exchange, just click here on deposit on Axiom and you will get the wallet that you can deposit these funds into. Once that is done, it will show up right here in your account. And another thing I recommend you do is head to portfolio. Right here you can see your wallets, and right here you have the option to export private keys. You want to do this, you want to export private keys and import the wallet into MetaMask so that you have access to the wallet both in MetaMask as well as on Axiom. But once you have exported your wallet and you have funds in your wallet, you will be good to go. Now, if you're brand new to Binance Smart Chain, 4.me is the pump fund equivalent on BNB Chain. So this is where all the tokens launch. This is where you can launch your own token if you want to, but that's not what we're here to talk about today. But it is just good to know. 4.me is like the biggest launch pad on Binance Smart Chain. So as you can see, all of these tokens have launched from 4.me. Now, if you don't have an Axiom account yet, make sure you sign up with my link down below to get 10% less fees on all of your trades, and make sure the BNB chain is selected in the top right corner. Now, to give you a quick overview of this platform, this is essentially what it looks like. You have the Discover section where you have trending tokens as well as DEX screener tokens. You then have Pulse, which is like the main part of meme coin trading, what you call the trenches. So this is where you can see all new pairs that just launched 15 seconds ago, 40 seconds ago, etc. You then have Final Stretch, which are tokens about to migrate, and you have tokens that have already migrated. Right here you have a lot of details when it comes to market cap, volume, dev holdings, sniper holdings, insiders, all of that stuff. Right here you have a quick buy button. So if you see a token you want to get into super quickly, you can just click here and basically snipe the token, and you can edit the amount for this right up here. So whatever amount you are comfortable with, you can put that as your quick buy option. Then you have trading presets where you can set slippage, etc. So if I click onto this, you can edit, for example, slippage. I just keep it at 20% on buy and sell. And you then have filters. So whatever you want to filter out, you can do that right here. So for example, you have minimum token age, you have a max amount of top 10 holders. So if you don't want top 10 holders to hold more than 50% of the token, you can add that. Minimum or maximum dev holding, sniper holding, amount of holders. I only want to trade tokens with at least 20 holders. You then have dollar metrics. So I only want to trade tokens that have at least $2,000 in volume, and you can add so much more. This is just for new pairs. Then you can do the same for Final Stretch and migrated tokens. When you click apply, you can see that it filters out all the other tokens. It's also super customizable. Right here on display, you can basically change the layout of everything. So for example, the size of these quick buy buttons, I prefer having it on ultra. This way, this whole part is a quick buy button basically. But you can also add or remove different metrics, change the colors for these metrics, etc. to customize this platform to your own liking. Now, if you find any tokens you are interested in, you can just click onto it and it will take you to the actual chart. Everything is super fast and responsive. Axiom has been the biggest trading bot for a long time. for good reason, because they are probably the best one out there. But this is what it looks like. You have some token information on the right hand side. You can right here buy and sell tokens as well. But what I prefer and what most people prefer is this instant trade panel. So just click on that and it shows up here, and you can edit all of these amounts to your own liking. That way you can easily just quick buy with whatever amount you want to, and quick sell as well. Up here you have some more token information like the market cap and stuff. You have their socials. At the bottom you have all of the trades, you have your open positions, you have amount of holders, you have top traders who have made the most money from this specific token. You can then click onto any of these traders to basically analyze their wallets. You can see their active positions, all of their trades, their portfolio, 30-day P&L, all of that good stuff, everything you need to basically analyze different wallets. And if you find a wallet you like, you can actually start tracking that wallet. So just click here, give it a name, in this case just test1, and you are now tracking this specific wallet. And these emojis will then overlay onto the chart to see exactly where your tracked wallets bought and sold these different tokens. Now after Pulse you also have trackers, and this is where your tracked wallets will show up. You can see all of their live trades. In this case it's none because I just started following this guy. And then on the right hand side you have Twitter trackers. This is a great way to just keep up with crypto Twitter to see what sort of news comes out, or if anyone says anything about a meme coin, or if Donald Trump tweets, or if like Elon Musk tweets anything that can be turned into a meme coin, you can get it up right here and buy it straight away. They do also have perpetuals integrated into the platform, so here is where you can trade all sorts of crypto tokens on leverage, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, etc. But I'm not going to go too much into detail on that right now. You then have your portfolio section where you have all of your spot holdings, your wallets, your perpetual holdings, and then you have rewards at the end. Now at the bottom of the page you can also bring up your wallet tracker, for example on the right hand side if you prefer that. For example on Pulse, this is what that will look like. If you want to see your tracked wallets at the same time, you can do the same with the Twitter tracker. If you want to stay up to date on all sorts of news while trading meme coins, this is what that will look like. But if you do want to start trading Binance Smart Chain meme coins, Axiom is the place to be. They are the best trading bot out there, so the fact that they have added support for BNB Chain is amazing. But you can obviously also trade Solana meme coins. That is where they started. They are also the most popular platform out there for Solana meme coins. Hope this video gave you a good overview of how the platform works and how you can get started trading Binance meme coins. If you do have any questions, you can join my Telegram down below and ask me in there, and I will try to answer your questions to the best of my ability. Again, if you do want to sign up to Axiom, make sure you use my link down below to get 10% less fees on all of your trades. If you are looking for a new exchange, make sure to use this 10% deposit bonus. If you deposit $1,000, you get $100 for free. If you deposit $10,000, you get $1,000 for free, and so on. So the link to that will also be down below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash a like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you want to see next on this channel. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.